Hey space lovers and curious minds, welcome back. I'm George, and as always, I'm here with another mind-blowing fact that's going to twist your view of reality. Today, we're going way beyond Earth into outer space. Because something terrifying happened aboard the International Space Station and almost no one on Earth noticed at the time. Let me ask you something. What happens when bacteria leave Earth's gravity and live in space? Well, they evolve. NASA had been sending experiments to the ISS for years, and one of them involved a common bacterium called Enterobacter bugandensis germ that you might find in hospitals or the human gut. It's not super dangerous here on Earth, but in space, it changed. When astronauts sent samples back after weeks in microgravity, scientists were stunned. The bacteria had mutated not randomly, but in ways that helped it survive better in the harsh, sterile environment of the ISS. But here's the scary part. Some of the mutated strains showed a 79% probability of being resistant to antibiotics. Think about that. A germ that went to space and came back stronger, more resilient, more dangerous. And it's not just this one species. Scientists have discovered that multiple bacteria aboard the ISS have developed increased resistance and survival tactics. Why? Because the space station is like a perfect lab for evolution. High radiation, limited nutrients, zero gravity, and no external competition. This means bacteria can adapt fast, really fast, in space. They become tougher, they change shape, they stick better to surfaces, and some even form biofilms, slimy layers that are incredibly hard to clean and remove, something that freaks out engineers because biofilms can damage vital systems on board. Imagine this. A single mutated germ spreads across an enclosed space station where your nearest hospital is 400 kilometers away, back on Earth. And yes, astronauts undergo strict decontamination. But what if something slips through? Here's where it gets even weirder. In 2019, NASA announced they had discovered unknown microbes on the ISS. Not just mutated ones, but completely new bacterial strains never before documented on Earth. They believe these may have evolved from Earth origin microbes, adapting to the unique environment of space. So now the question is, what happens if we bring these back down? Are we unintentionally creating superbugs in orbit? This is no sci-fi movie. This is real. It's happening. And it's changing how we think about life beyond Earth, not just in terms of humans, but in terms of what else we're sending up there and what's coming back. That's your strange fact of the week. I'm George, and next time, we'll explore something just as wild. Until then, stay curious and maybe wipe down that doorknob twice today.